Good morning. It's winter now. No, actually, I think it's like 35 degrees. I'm wearing my winter coat. I'm about to take the trash out, and then we are going to have a fun full day of Chicago architecture, and I'm gonna bring you along. So before we get started, I feel like this video is going to have just a lot of b-roll, just to let you know, because it's gonna be busy where we're going, and I personally am not a vlogging in public person, even though that's literally what I'm doing right now. Also, I have a minor cold. Oh, I wanted to tell you about that. So I took Sudafed this morning. I haven't taken Sudafed since, it's been like 10 months. So I don't have a problem with it. I love it though. Like, I am congested. Like, I took it because I'm congested, but like, it like also gives you a little bit of a energy burst, which is really fun. Okay, someone got way too close to me there and I freaked out and turned the camera off, but yeah, so Sudafed is like protected, which I didn't know. I bought it around last Christmas and used it for the first time as an adult then. But it's protected because it's an ingredient in math. So I took it last December, and then it was like nighttime and I was like, wow, I'm just not tired. And it's because it's a stimulant. I'm almost to my mom's house. I'm meeting her before we go downtown for the tours. So our first building of the day is 150 North Riverside. We did not make a plan. The last year that I did this was last year. And I put together an Excel spreadsheet, but I didn't do that this year. I don't know, time just got away from me this week. But this building, I actually went in the construction elevator when it was external, when it was under construction, and I haven't been up in it since. So I'm excited to see it, even though it's just a regular old office building, but it's fancy. That building, it was so pointless. It was not even open. It was just the lobby, which I've been in because I used to have friends that work in there. So I've met them for lunch in the lobby before. And the art exhibit wasn't even working. It was digital art. Wouldn't recommend. There it is. It's a nice building, it's cool, I like it, but just office building lobby. Yeah, this is brand new. Up there is the corn lady. We're at the Chicago Board of Trade, where they trade a lot of stock. Molly's trying to get in, but she's not going to. Just kidding, there she is. Corn lady. Hi, I just got home. We saw a lot. We ended up taking the train up to Lincoln Square and we went to a printmaker studio, which I didn't get any footage of, but that was pretty cool. And then I just took the bus home. And now I have to get ready, go to dinner. Big day. Saw a lot. I hope you enjoyed the mostly b-roll video. I had fun filming. If you like this video, feel free to subscribe, tell your friends to subscribe, just, you know, like it. If you don't like it, don't come back. That's all I have to say. And yeah, thanks for joining me on this busy day. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and hope that you maybe come see some cool stuff in Chicago sometime. One more thing before you go. I have a full mat in my hair, so this is gonna be fun to work through. Anyway, have a good rest of your day. See you next time. See you soon. Bye.